Applicant AW3634IP, please tell me about yourself.
Good day to all the employers in Hong Kong. My name is Maricel Eniego Tanaman, 28 years old, from Piñaranda, Cabasalan, Zamboanga, Sibugay. I am a single mother, one son, age 4 years old. We have 4 siblings and I am a second sibling. My father's name is Binbinido Tanaman and my mother's name is Mary Joy Tanaman. I am a college undergraduate. My religion is Catholic. I have work experience here in the Philippines for 7 years as working student. I also have work experience in Kuwait for 2 years and 4 months as a domestic helper. They are 12 members of the family. I do cooking, cleaning, washing, ironing, and taking care of the parents of my employers.
Why do you intend to work in Hong Kong?
Aside from the beautiful country, it's because of the high salary that can provide the needs of my family.
How was your relationship to your previous employer?
They treat me like their own family.
What are the duties and responsibilities as a domestic worker?
My duties and responsibility are washing clothes, cooking, ironing, and taking care of the adult.
What are the parts of the house that needs to be cleaned most?
First is kitchen so we can prepare food. Second is bathroom to avoid spread the germs.
What are the appliances that you can operate?
Rice cooker, washing machine, heater, electric burner, and microwave oven.
Okay. So can you cook Chinese food?
No man, but I am willing to learn everything.
What is the first thing to do before you prepare your employer's food?
I will always wash my hands.
What are the attitude that you can traits to your employer?
I am a good employee, obedient, trustworthy, and hardworking.
What is your message to your future employer?
Mom, sir, if you give me a chance to be your domestic worker, I promise to do my duties and responsibility very well. Thank you and God bless.